Pulling up. Silver, it looks nice, but with the satin black wrap, I really think it needs black wheels. These are 20s, but the new ones are 22s. I am so excited for these. Give you a little taste. All right, that's all you're gonna get so far, but good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you are having a fantastic day. If you're new to the channel, my name is Parker Nierenstein. This is Vehicle Virgins. Just got back from an awesome rally to Palm Springs in the 812 Superfast. If you guys missed that video, make sure to check it out. A ton of fun, a ton of awesome supercars, and even people dressed up in Halloween costumes. But the exciting thing today, you guys have been asking for it. I wondered, should I change the wheels on the Maybach? It's got a fresh wrap. I love the satin black as opposed to the gloss black. Blacked out some of the emblems as well, as you guys saw, that V12 emblem, as well as the Maybach emblem, and then of course, the super cool new Maybach emblem in the front. Need to get this car washed, by the way. But I finally decided to get some new wheels for the car, and today I am putting them on. I am so excited. I think you guys are gonna love the way that they look. Let's get the car washed and then go check out the new wheels. The Huracan Evo's had a slow leak in the rear passenger side tire for a bit, so I'm gonna get that checked out as well. I can't find a nail anywhere. I'm not quite sure what's wrong with it. Might have to get the tire replaced because I've got an upcoming track day and do not want to drive on an unsafe tire, obviously at high speeds on a track. All right, off we go. I am so pumped for the new wheels, guys. Let's get this car cleaned. Absolutely gorgeous day out today. Getting a little bit cooler in the winter time now. And by cool, I mean 72 degrees. The crazy part is, when I lived in Michigan, man, it used to get like -20 degrees and I was still outside filming Vehicle Virgins videos. Those were the days. That was crazy. I got Justin behind me following in the Evo. Gonna get that washed up as well, and then of course, fix that tire. Time for a little touchless car wash action. I have no idea why I find this so satisfying. On the way to the tire store now, American Tire Depot, awesome place that my friend Vahe runs. They were the guys who actually helped out with the Cullinan when I popped my tire in the backyard. Guys, I haven't actually seen these wheels in person yet, so you guys are gonna get the exact same first reaction that I am seeing them on the car and seeing them before they get mounted on the car for the first time. Man, the anticipation is absolutely killing me. Pulling up. All right, guys, just rolled up. We got Justin here. He brought over the Evo. They're gonna get that figured out first, whether I need to replace the tire or plug the tire, and then we're gonna be installing the wheels on the Maybach. He saw a little sneak preview.
I did, and they are
freaking awesome. Getting the tire looked at, and check this out, guys. Little sneak peek of the wheels. The box matches the wrap on the Lamborghini. I am so excited for these. Give you a little taste.
Allow me to help.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome, you're welcome.
All right, that's all you're gonna get so far, but oh my God, this is epic. Guys, check this out. Look at the difference in the size of the brakes on the Huracan Evo versus the Miata. Those things are tiny. All right, so here's a little preview of the car before. Silver, it looks nice, but with the satin black wrap, I really think it needs black wheels. You guys totally, literally every single comment was it needs black wheels. So we're going with that. These are 20s, but the new ones are 22s, which should look absolutely insane. All right, pulling into the Maybach to the service bay. There we go. Maybach going airborne. Wheel number 2 is off. Check these out, guys. So we're pulling, what, the TPMS sensors out of these, putting them in the new tires?
Exactly.
Sweet.
That's what I work out with.
These are definitely not for the Maybach.
No.
Maybe new Miata tires. Those are tiny.
It's my daily record.
14s. Here we go, getting the tires put on. We're putting nitrogen in the tires now as opposed to normal air, so why are we doing that?
Because basically you get a better ride comfort, you get better gas mileage, no air fluctuation.
Sweet.
And Jay Leno endorses it, so why not?
Why not? Look at that, nitrogen inflatable system. First tire being mounted up on the Maybach. Woohoo!
Forgiato's looking amazing.
We've got black hardware to match the black wheels. Getting the wheels all balanced up on the machine. All right, check this out, guys. There is the new Forgiato front versus the stock old wheel. You guys have been requesting mods, new wheels for the car, especially in black, so I'm super happy. This is our channel. I wanted to make the car as great as possible for all of us to enjoy. I think the Forgiatos look absolutely fantastic. I'm so excited to see what happens when we've got all four of them on the car. All right, guys, so we found the nail inside of the tire. It's on the inside down here. Don't know how we weren't able to find it before. Gonna pull that out and plug it up so it stops leaking air. Back wheel going on. All right, the wheels are on. She's coming down. Here we go, guys. Dropping down to the ground on the new wheels. Oh, these are sick. Well, guys, here it is, the Maybach with the new Forgiato wheels. And I gotta give a huge shout out to my boy Vahe for setting this up. Dude, what do you think?
It's freaking beautiful, man.
I like it. It looks mean.
Classy.
Whew. Justin, thoughts?
Daddy's got a new pair of shoes.
Yes, sir. And I actually didn't realize this, that these are actually floating center caps, just like on the Rolls Royce, so they stay stationary when you're driving along the road. But damn, that looks so much better. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below, the new wheels versus the old, but I am in love with the blacked out Forgiatos. Decided to take the Lambo back home just to make sure that the tire pressures are all good. Everything's holding air. The car is back to normal. Super excited for next week because I've got a thermal track day on Tuesday. One of my favorite tracks that I've ever been to. Just a ton of awesome turns, a lot of run out. It's a safe track. It's a bunch of fun. And there should be some cool cars out there as well. Seriously, special thanks to Vahe, American Tire Depot, and Forgiato for supplying the wheels and putting everything together. I'm super pumped on the way the Mercedes turned out. Headed back to the home now. Obviously, it's super dark, so won't get to see much of the Maybach once I get to the driveway. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Like always, please browse the channel and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you next video.